Good afternoon, everyone. Corey here with another Raspberry Pi 5 tutorial. Today, we're going to enhance the performance of our Raspberry Pi by booting from a freshly installed SSD instead of the traditional SD card. This upgrade will provide significantly better speed and reliability, a game changer for anyone using their Pi for more demanding tasks. Step 1. Launch the Raspberry Pi Imager. First, open Accessories, Raspberry Pi Imager. This will bring up the Setup Wizard. Here's what you need to do. Select your Raspberry Pi version. Choose your preferred operating system. Pick your storage location. In this case, the SSD. Since my OS is already installed and running from an SSD, I'll demonstrate this process using a USB storage device for reference. Step 2. Configure boot settings. Once your OS is set up, open a terminal and enter the following command: sudo raspi-config. Next, navigate through the menu. Scroll down to Advanced Options and select it. Locate and choose boot order. Select NVMe/USB as the primary boot device and confirm by selecting OK. Step 3. Finalize the boot process. The system will now update the boot sequence. Once completed, select OK. Reboot your Raspberry Pi, and voila! You can now safely remove the old, slow SD card and enjoy the improved performance of our SSD-powered setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Raspberry Pi tutorials. See you in the next one.